Scott Disick shared daughter Penelope's hack for cutting onions in a new photo, and Ina Garten would so approve. Move over, Ina Garten. There's a new food guru in town. Scott Disick shared the cooking hack that his daughter Penelope, 9, uses to chop onions. The TV personality uploaded a cute snapshot of his daughter, whom he shares with former partner Kourtney Kardashian, with her eyes covered in sunglasses while she cut up the vegetable to prevent tearing. Scott referenced Corey Hart's song Sunglasses at Night for the caption, "I wear my sunglasses at night so I can chop onions," the TV personality captioned. In the snapshot, Penelope rocks round black sunglasses and floral pajama sets in front of the cutting board. Along with Penelope, Scott and Kourtney also shared children Mason, 11, and Rain, 6, together. It's clear that the duo's daughter has an affinity for recipes and food, as Kourtney has previously shared Penelope's special recipe for strawberry lemonade on her lifestyle website, Poosh. Endearingly called Penelope's strawberry lemonade, the recipe calls for strawberries, lemons, water, and either sugar, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Per the post, Penelope likes to dip her glass in lemon and then coat the rim in sugar before she pours the lemonade. Along with strawberry lemonade, Penelope is also a fan of another major food staple, pasta. Kourtney previously shared a snapshot with her little girl as they enjoyed some pasta lady and the tramp style on the beach. She captioned the post, "My lady." Related gallery. Celebrity dads with their kids, photos of Scott Disick, Chris Brown and more. Her little lady recently celebrated her 9th birthday last month on July 8. Scott and Kourtney, as well as the rest of the Kardashian-Jenner family, paid homage to Penelope on the big day on social media. "My life, my love, my everything," Scott wrote alongside an Instagram photo of his daughter. "You have changed my life forever, Peep. I honestly can't express my love for through trying on an iPhone, but with that said, I love you too much." Kourtney shared a snapshot of Penelope with a pink drum set. "My favorite girl in the entire world. I am so happy and proud to be your mommy," she wrote. "My life is so much better because of you."